What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. I just wanted to show you guys something on Codecademy. As you can see, I've completed the JavaScript course, Learn JavaScript course on Codecademy. So I'm just going to reset my progress again because I'm going to redo it. So I'm going to walk you guys through it um, step by step, and how I accomplished certain programs and tasks and you name it. So yeah, I'm gonna reset my progress, and yeah, I'm gonna make a video on it. So all right, there's a reset. So yeah, I'm gonna make videos on each project. There's 12 projects, 11 lessons, and yeah, just to help anyone else out there that needs help. Yeah, so Um, the other reason why I'm resetting the JavaScript course is because I'm gonna go through it. I've learned basically all the syntax and all of that. Most of the syntax, I can't say all of the syntax, but most or majority of the syntax I've learned. But I think I haven't made any videos on the course itself, and also on CSS and the full stack course. So I've completed most of those courses, but yeah, like I said, I've just reset it, and I'm gonna walk you through each of the 12 lessons again, and at the same time, it's good practice for myself. I'll chunk the information or the JavaScript syntax further, so that's gonna help out a lot. Definitely. So yeah, it's not just obviously I'm not trying to say, oh yeah, I'm just yeah doing the course just for you guys. No, no. I'm actually obviously benefiting from it as well. So I'm going to walk you guys through it, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. Yeah, thank you very much for watching my channel. I really do appreciate it, and peace out. See you guys in the course.